Here's how to gift a book on Audible, and here's some good news as well. You don't even need to be an Audible member to do this. Also, you cannot do this on the Audible app, but you can still do it on your phone or computer using their website. Step 1, go to Gift Center under Explore Audible. Step 2, find the book that you want to gift. Step 3, select Give as Gift. Step 4, choose how you want to send the gift, be it an email or print. Step 5, enter info about the gift, recipient's email and name, your name, and then the date, and then hit continue. And lastly, step 6, select buy for however much, or you can use credits. But that is how to gift a book on Audible. For a better idea on what Audible is, how it works, credits, memberships, and a walkthrough of the app, I did a great video going over all of this stuff too, and I'll make sure to link that in the description. But I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it helped. If it did, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, so you can see more of the stuff that we're putting out on this channel. And if you want to turn it up just a notch and turn on that notification bell to get a notification whenever I drop new videos, that would mean the world to me. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. You can find me everywhere, and I'll see you then.